Hello students, welcome to the next video of the immunology lecture series. In this video, we will see what is the basic difference between antigen and immunogen. Before going to the concept of the antigen, let us discuss what is immune response. Immune response is the process in which the antigen molecule is recognized by the immune system and results in the activation of various immune effector functions that help us in eliminating the antigen. Now the question arises, what do we mean by an antigen? Generally speaking, antigen is a foreign particle that can enter the host body and cause an infection that may cause a harmful effect on the host in the form of a disease. Also, it has the ability to induce or activate the immune response. During this process, principal cells that are involved in antigen recognition are B cells and T cells. Let's see what happens when B cells interact with the antigen. B cell, which is never exposed to the antigen, is known as a naive B cell. When such naive B cells recognize the antigen with the help of the B cell receptor, it can get differentiated into two types of the cells, effector B cells and memory B cells. These effector B cells have the ability to get further differentiated into plasma cells, which have the ability to produce antibody molecules. These antibodies can recognize the antigen for its elimination. On the other hand, when T cells interact with the antigens complexed with MSC molecule, they can get differentiated into effector and memory T cells. But now the function of effector T cells is not to produce antibodies, but they further get differentiated into cytotoxic and helper T cells. These cells have a structure on their surface called as T cell receptor, which helps them in antigen recognition. What we can conclude from this for our understanding is antibodies are the final products of B cell activation and T cell receptors are the final products of the T cell activation, and both of these help in recognizing the antigen. From this, if we try to give a specific definition of antigen, then antigens are the molecules that interact with the final products of the immune responses, antibodies or T cell receptors. Now that we have understood the concept of antigen, let's see what is the difference between antigen and immunogen. As we have discussed just now, the antigen is a molecule that interacts with antibodies or with T cell receptor when complexed with MHC. On the other hand, an immunogen is a molecule that can activate the immune response and it can also act as an antigen in that immune response. This means all the immunogens can activate the immune response and hence all can act as an antigen. But not all antigens can activate the immune response, hence all the antigens are not the immunogens. So this is all about the concept of antigen and an immunogen. I hope this video has made these concepts clear to you. Do like this video and share with your friends. For learning more such concepts easily, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get updates about our latest videos. If you want us to make the video on a specific concept, then let us know in the comment section. Stay tuned and keep learning, keep growing scientifically.